Before starting the installation, make sure that there is no voltage on the connection cables. Activities related to installation, connection and adjustment should be performed by a qualified electrician who has read the operating instructions and the functions of the device. RNP-21 is transmitter of the wireless Exta Life control system. It is possible to wirelessly control lighting, control window blinds, and various other devices, by the traditional equipment adapted to the appearance and character of the interior. The transmitter is distinguished by its small shape, which is adapted for easy installation in an electric box with a diameter of 60 mm, so it takes up little space. RNP-21 is powered by 230 volts voltage. The voltage also triggers 4 outputs, IN1, IN2, IN3, IN4. During normal operation, status LED indicates radio transmission. Before making connections, disconnect the power supply, and check the potential free state on the power supply wires. Connect the wires to the terminals according to the wiring diagram, which can be found in the device's manual. To the terminal marked with the letter L, connect the phase wire of power cable. Connect then the neutral wire to the N terminal. Next, terminals marked IN1, IN2, IN3, and IN4, are the terminals for connecting the phase conductors, in example, wires activating the transmitter. After making connections, install the RNP-21 device in the installation box, and connect the power supply circuit. RNP-21 transmitter is designed for box assembly. The dimensions of the housing enable installation in both flush-mounted boxes 560, and surface-mounted. In the case of concealed installation, it is recommended to use deepened cans, or so-called pocket cans. (868 MHz) radio waves are used for transmitting information, which provide a good range of up to 350 meters in open area and transmission stability. In case of problems with the range, the RNP-21 repeater can be used. The transmitter must be associated with the receiver to be controlled at the programming stage. Normally, learning can be done using the prog buttons of the Exta Life receiver, or using the Exta Life app. It can be assigned more transmitters to one receiver in this way. In order to use the transmitter by the Exta Life controller, first it must pair it with the controller, meaning as a physical registration in the system. In order to later identify the transmitter, it is recommended to give own name that is well known to the user. In order to program the RNP-21 transmitter, in the on/off mode, run the Exta Life application first and log into the system. Select the device option from the list and assign the transmitter to the receiver of your choice. Selecting the transmitter's preview option makes it easier to check the order of the RNP-21 transmitter inputs, so that mistakes could be avoided while programming it. RNP-21 after programming in the on/off mode, may independently controlling Exta Life receivers, for example using 2 keys. In this case, the button connected to the IN1 input starts 2 outputs of the RNP-22 receiver, while the button connected to the IN2 input turns off the RNP-22 receiver. To program the transmitter RNP-21 in bistable mode, select the receiver from the device list and assign to it a transmitter, which will be controlled. Selection of bistable operation mode, activates one input only, in which enables and disable the appropriate output of the RNP-22 receiver. Transmitter RNP-21, after programming in bistable mode, can control Exta Life receivers with the use of a single key. In this case, the button connected to the IN1 input controls the first output of the receiver RNP-22. In turn, the second button connected to the IN2 input controls the second output of the RNP-22 receiver. In monostable mode, the Exta Life system receiver is activated only when activating the previously programmed transmitter input RNP-21. Programming of the monostable mode for the RNP-21 transmitter perform in a similar way to the previously described way of programming the bistable mode. In this system, the button connected to the IN1 input controls the first output of the RNP-22 receiver only when it is pressed. For the second button, the second receiver channel is activated, while the IN2 output of the transmitter RNP-21 is triggered. In the mobile application, it is also possible to easily set the time of operation of the Exta Life receivers. A programmed transmitter activates the outputs of the receivers for a predefined time. When select the operating mode as time mode, an additional field is activated in where it's possible to set the time of switching on the devices. The time is set independently for each transmitter entered into the receiver in the time mode, for each external input, and for control by the mobile application. For example, when activating the IN1 output of the RNP-21 transmitter, the Exta Life receivers are switched on for a predetermined time, and after the countdown is over they are switched off. It is possible to interrupt the time counting sequence by triggering the previously defined second transmitter input.